Hello everyone, welcome back with Revit basic tutorials how to join curtain walls. Okay, in here I will create a simple curtain walls. You can click these wall tools and you can click on properties. You can use curtain walls with these options, curtain walls empty. The next I will use rectangles and I will set for height into 3000. You can create in here for curtain walls. Change into 3D view and you can see we have these curtain walls, and if you want to join in these corner points you can click edit type. But first we need to select these curtains. Okay, you can select and you can click edit type. So will be show for curtain walls properties. You can set for join conditions. In here I will set into border vertical girth continuous. The next, in a vertical mulons, you can set like in border type ones. You can set into quad corner. You can click apply. So it will be automatically connect with this quad corner. Or you can set into the other type. Like we can set into V corner. This is for V corner. If you done, you can click OK. So we already joined between these curtain walls in corner points. Okay, that's it, how to join curtain walls in Revit. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.